students, I hope you will be fine and safe and happy. Okay, we are on page number 71, and in the previous lecture we have started the Puli poem. It is actually a metaphysical poem. Okay, in this poem the poet has said that the man is restless. He is always restless. Why? Because the God has given this quality to man. Okay, it is very important that the man has to be restless, because if the man will be not restless, he will not remind or remember the God. So I think we have learned the first stanza. Now we are in second stanza. Okay, so see second stanza, page number 71. So strength first made a way, then beauty flow, then wisdom, honor, pleasure. When almost all was out, God made a stay, perceiving that alone of all his treasures, rest in bottom lay. Okay, so God decided to give all blessing. God decided to flow all blessings on man, on human being. So one by one he gave all blessings like strength. First he gave strength to man. Then God gave beauty to man. Then God gave wisdom. Wisdom means knowledge to man. Then honor. Then pleasure. Okay, one by one he flowed. He showered. The God showered all qualities. Okay, and when almost all qualities, you can say all blessings were over, जब सब blessings खत्म हो गए, okay, God made a stay. Okay, God made a stay means God paused there, God stopped there, perceiving that alone of all his treasures. Perceiving, what is perceiving? Perceiving means noticing, means becoming conscious. God became conscious of all his treasures, rest in the bottom lay. Okay, there are some treasure, there are some qualities at the bottom of, and he stopped there to shower. Third stanza. For if I should say he means who? God. Bestow this jewel also on my creature, he would adore my gifts instead of me, and rest in nature, not the God of nature, so both should losers be. Okay, so if I should means if God thought that if the God should bestow means if God should shower. Bestow means what? Shower. If God would shower or give as a gift this jewel, there was last jewel, there was last blessing for to the God. Okay, so if God should bestow, God should give his last jewel to his creature, means to human being, to man, the man would adore. Adore means love very much. The man would love his gifts, his blessings very much instead of God. गॉड ने जो क्वालिटीज दिया है, ब्लेसिंग्स दिया है, अगर वो लास्ट ब्लेसिंग भी उसे मिल जाए मैन को, सो द मैन विल लव हिज गिफ्ट्स इंस्टेड ऑफ गॉड. सो वो गॉड को पसंद नहीं करेगा, गॉड के गिफ्ट्स को पसंद करेगा. मैन, द मैन वुड एडोर मींस द मैन वुड लव वेरी मच हिज गिफ्ट्स इंस्टेड ऑफ गॉड. Okay, and rest in nature, not the God of nature, so both should losers be. So both should be losers. God and the man should be losers if God should give the last blessing, the last jewel to human beings. Okay, fourth stanza. Yet let him keep the rest, but keep them with repining restlessness. Let him be rich and weary, then at last, if goodness lead him not, yet weariness may toss him to my breast. Okay, so God decided let man keep the rest blessing, means let the man should not give the last blessing, the last jewel, but keep man or keep human being with repining restlessness. Repining restlessness means continuous anxiety due to dissatisfaction. Let the man be continuously restlessness due to dissatisfaction means let the man keep dissatisfied always. अगर मैन को ऑलवेज डिससैटिस्फाइड रखेंगे तो वो कुछ सर्च करने की कुछ फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश करेगा. सो गॉड डिसाइडेड टू कीप द मैन dissatisfied. God decided left restlessness in human being and let the man become rich. Let the man become rich and weary. Weary means tired. Let the man become rich and tired, and that at last, if the goodness of man, if that goodness may not lead the man to the God, weariness, tiredness, restlessness may lead the man to the God. Okay, if there is weariness, if there is restlessness, tiredness, that unsatisfaction, that tiredness, that weariness may toss means may throw close, means go towards close to the God. Because of weariness or because of tiredness, the man may go closer to God. The man may or the man can remember the God because he is restless. If the man is not restless, if the man is not dissatisfied, he will not remember the God and he will not go close to the God. So the God deliberately leave or left this blessing into the man, restlessness. So this is the pulley. This is the pulley means this is the thing that pulls the man towards the God. Restlessness. Restlessness is the pulley, is that pulley that pulls the man towards the God. George Herbert. So in this way we have completed this poem on page number 50, page number 71. Okay. So there are questions, two questions. What did God's glass blessings contain? Glass of blessings contain. God's glass of blessings contain strength, beauty, wisdom, honor, pleasure. Answer is in second stanza. Okay. God's glass of blessings contain strength, beauty, wisdom, honor, pleasure. Okay. Second question. What would the human being do if God gifted him the rest? अगर God ने human being को rest दे दिया, satisfaction दे दिया, तो what the human being will do? Human being would never have been searched or never have been worked, or he would never remember the God. Okay, self-satisfaction or contentment would never pull the human being towards the God. Okay, so see on page number 72. 72 English workshop is there as usual. First activity, with the help of clues and words containing the letter A from the poem and build a word pyramid. आपको word pyramid build करना है. जैसे कि an article. अब article कौन सा है? A. So it is only a letter A. A preposition at. At. आप भी लिख सकते हो या at. Then past tense of lie. Past tense of lie. L-A-I-D. Lied. Okay. Lay. Then D. Maximum length of your open palm. Maximum length of your open palm, that is span. S-P-A-N. Span. Then E. Make much of. Make much of. Adore. Make much of. Adore. Then loveliness. Loveliness is beauty. Then F. Loveliness, beauty. G. In place of. In place of. Instead. I-N-S-T-E-A-D. Instead. G. In place, instead. Then H. A collection of priceless valuable. A collection of priceless valuable, that is treasure. Okay, and last one, restlessness and discontent, weariness. Restlessness and discontent, weariness. Keep in mind. Okay. Activity 2. Choose the correct alternative from the following. Okay. A. Herbert's poem The Pulley displays dash 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 as the two main themes. Okay. Two main themes क्या है? Origin and morality or spirituality. Origins and morality or spirituality. Okay. B. The summary of the poem. The pulley is the summary of the poem. Summary क्या है? V. Fifth. God pulled man towards him by making him restless and weary. This is the summary of the poem. God pulled man towards him, towards God by making man restless and weary. Okay. Then in the poem, the pulley is considered second, a gift to mankind. A gift to mankind. The pulley is considered a gift to mankind. Then D dash is an example of pun from the poet. Pun. So pun का example कौन सा है? जो पन का है last one. So both should losers be. E. An example of paradox from the poem. Paradox example. Let him be rich and weary. Let him be rich and weary. Last example में पन का example था third, having a glass of blessings. So D का है third, having glass of blessings, और E का है third, let him rich and weary. Then F, example of syncodic. Syncodic का example है fourth, may toss him to my breast. May toss him to my breast. और G का example है an example of alliteration from the poem. Alliteration, repining restless. जो line है repining restless, example of alliteration. Then last, the rhyme scheme of the poem. A B A, हाँ तो fourth one आएगा A B A B A. Fourth one is the example of rhyme scheme. Okay. Now third activity, discuss and answer in your own words, write in your own notebook. Okay. The poet has used the word rest three times in the poem. Write what the word implies in each of the 3 lines it occur. 3 lines in occur. So in the 3 lines, rest. Okay. So write the 3 lines, rest. So first, in the first line, rest. Rest in the second, rest him. Then let him keep the rest. Last stanza का आएगा. Then दूसरा, let him be rich and weary. Okay. Let him keep the rest and let him be rich and weary. Okay. B. What does God want to return in return from man, from the gifts he has bestowed upon him? The God wants him, the man to lead good life, okay, and he should remember the God, okay. He does not want to keep on adoring only his gifts, but he wants to keep the God remember. Okay. So rest of the questions do at home. Next part we will learn in the next lecture. Thank you.